Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today is going to be a quick video. It's going to be a quick swatch video. So I did a previous tutorial using these products. I'm going to leave a link in the description box to that video so you can see that tutorial. But I'm going to do a swatch video of Glamorous Beat cosmetic products. So I was sent a few of her products just to try them out and for review. So basically I got 2 highlighters which come in these compacts here. I got 3 lip products, which has the Glamorous Beat logo as well. Comes in this. And I got a lip pencil. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So first, you guys, I'm going to show you how these highlighters look. So I got 2 highlighters. One is called Glamorous, which is a beautiful yellow gold. Very pretty. Is that not gorgeous, you guys? Very pretty. So that's Glamorous. And then the next one is this one called Gleam. And it's a pretty, I want to say rose gold, but it definitely has pink undertones. Now the cool thing about this is you could wear it as a blush that has shimmer in it, or you could wear it as a highlight if you have deeper skin tone like mine or darker. So go in with that. It's so pigmented, you only need a little. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? I love it. Very pretty. So that's the highlighters. And then I'm going to go in with the lip products. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is called Brianna. And these dry to a nice matte finish. And it's definitely a hot pink. I don't know if the camera's picking up on how hot and bright this is, but it's a very hot, hot pink. So this one is Brianna. And to make it a little bit more wearable, you definitely can add a lip pencil with it. So this next lip product that I'm gonna try for you guys is called Spoiled, and it's the red one. So this is the one that I wore on the previous tutorial. It's a very pretty red, a deep red. Beautiful all by itself, but if you wanted to pair with plum lip liner, so this is Spoiled with plum lip liner. And the last product that I received is ASW. So it's like a dark burgundy-ish color called ASW. And let's see if plum lip liner is dark enough for this lipstick. And it is. So you can actually use this lip pencil for all 3 lip colors. So that is it for this review and kind of like swatch video of Glamorous Beats Cosmetics. If you guys wanted to purchase any of these products, I'll put a link to her website down in the description box, and also I'll put her Instagram information. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you so much for Rolling with Stone.